Take a look at the Unit 9 discussion post, and in your initial post, you're going to consider some common and uncommon events. So you're going to think about what happens regularly in your life. So like in South Louisiana, we have a lot of rain. So it's very common that in the afternoon it's going to rain. It's actually very uncommon that it doesn't rain in the afternoon, so those are kind of related. So you're going to describe two events that you pick that's not already described by classmates, but I'm not really going to ask you to read every post so you can determine that. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys just pick two things. Chances are somebody else is not going to pick the same stuff. Then I want you to search the internet to find the probability of your event. So if it's rain in South Louisiana, I'll open the weather app. I'll look at the probability for today on the weather app, and I'll put that in my post. Maybe it's winning the lottery. Maybe it's the probability of winning a raffle, any kind of event that you could find. And so you may want to backwards engineer this and say, like, what are events with probabilities, and kind of engineer it backwards. An example of, like, for the lottery, there's like a 0.000001% chance that you'll win, and some of you may be surprised by that, and some of you may not be. So you're just going to share with us, are you surprised, are you not surprised, and why is that? In your second post, when you reply to your peer, you're going to advise your peer, and so you're going to look and you're going to read the probabilities that they have for their two events. And you're going to say, maybe you should never buy a lottery ticket, or maybe you should always pack an umbrella because you have a 95% chance of rain. So you're just going to give them some advice with the event based on what you think. And then justify it mathematically. So if you've got a 95% chance of rain, you should be pretty sure that it's going to rain. So you're going to need to pack your umbrella. And then in your final post, you're going to find any thread that you find interesting and make a reply to that in reference to something mathematical. So maybe you give them the probability of winning the lottery in your state, because it is different state by state, because states have their own lotteries. Or maybe you'll say, here's the probability of rain where I am. So you're just kind of extending and personalizing the event they chose and relating it back to what it's like for you.